So we have this question. I'm going to solve it. 5 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x equals 369. So to solve this, we are going to move in this direction, right? We've not done anything different. To the power of 1 is still going to give us this, okay? So we know that 2 to the 2 over 2 is the same thing as 1. We're going to be working with these, all right? And so we have 5 to the power of x raised to the power of 2 over 2 minus 4 to the power of x raised to the power 2 over 2 equals 369. We know that if we move this in, we'll be left with squared outside. This is what I mean. So we'll have squared outside. From here, we already know that this is difference of 2 squares, okay? So next thing we're going to do, we're going to say let 5 to the power of x over 2 be A, and 4 to the power of x over 2 to be B. Okay, next thing we're going to do, we're going to substitute that, and we have something like this. All right, so from here we know that difference of 2 squared can be written as this. Now we're going to express this 369 with this product, 41 times 9. It will definitely give us this, okay? Remember, the big one will go for the positive, and the smaller number will go for the negative, okay? So we have A minus B to be equal to what? 9, while what? A plus B to be equal to 41. And so we already have a simultaneous equation. So for some persons who do not know how I arrived here, this is how it's been written. Equals 41.9. So we just splitted them. Do you understand it now? So I'm going to rewrite it in this order. (41) here and 9 here. This is equation 1 and equation 2. So from here we have A minus A will cancel out, okay? And we have B minus B to give us B plus B to give us 2B. So we have here as 2B equals 41 minus 9 will give us 32. We divide through by 2 and we have 16. So our B is what? 16. Also, we substitute the value for B in any of the equation. I'll substitute for this one. A minus B is equal to 9. And we know that our B is what? 16 equal to 9. It moves to the other side, becomes positive, and our A is what? 25. Alright, so we have the value for A and B. Makes the work even easier. So remember, our A is 5 to the power of x over 2 and our B is 4 to the power of x over 2. So let's substitute for a, and we have this. So 5 raised to power 2 and 5x over 2. This goes, okay? So we have 2 equals x over 2. We cross multiply, and we have our x to be 4. So let's look at this other one. Our b is 16. So we have 4 to the power of 2, 4 to the power of x over 2. This strikes out, and we have 2 equals x over 2 over 1. Cross multiply, and then we have our x to be 4 as well. So now let's do a quick check. Let's do a quick check. If you've been watching up to this very point, thank you so very much, and it means this video has been of great value to you. Please consider subscribing to this channel because you'll be getting more valuable content. All right, so let's do a quick check and see if x equal to 4 satisfies the equation. Remember, our equation is 5 to the power of x minus 4 to the power of x equal to 369. So when we do substitute our value, our x is 4 as well, 369. This gives us 5 times 5 times 5 in 4 places. Same thing for this other one. So don't make the mistake of saying 4 times 4 is 16. You spread them out in 4s. 5 in 4s, okay, before you multiply. Now this gives us 25. This also gives us 25. And we'll multiply this, we have 6 to 5. We can check that by multiplying here. So this gives us 10, 11, 12, 10, 4, 5, 6, 2, 5. So from here we have 16. This also gives us 16. When we multiply this, we have 16 times 16. This gives us 6 times 6 is 36. 9, 6, 1. This gives us 256. Okay. Next we subtract 625, 256. We borrow 1 from here, put it here, we have 12. We borrow 1 again and put it here, we have 15. 15 minus 6 will give us 9. And then 11 minus this gives us 6. Then 5 minus 2 gives us 3. So therefore we have 369 to be equal to the right hand side. 369. Right hand side and the left hand side equal. So if you've gained lots of value from this video, please, like I said earlier, do well to subscribe to this channel. Join my membership where you have access to videos earlier than any other person, where you have your own videos for membership, for the members only. All right, you have members only live streams, so many lots of perks. I would encourage you to join my membership. You're going to gain lots of value. See you all in my next one, and bye for now. Make sure you leave me a beautiful comment, and I'll see you all in my next one.